Hello friends, today's video title is From Atom to Black Hole, a journey of mass, energy, gravity and consciousness. My dear friends, what happens when matter collapses? What happens when energy becomes too dense? And what happens when identity disappears? Sorry. From the smallest particle to the largest black hole, the same story repeats again and again. Let us understand this step by step with science first and then with deeper meaning. My dear friends, first we will see electron, proton, and neutron. An electron has very small mass, negative charge. A proton has large mass, positive charge. A neutron has mass but no charge. Here the important point to be noted is that mass and charge are different things. An electron is not massless. It has mass but very little. A neutron has no charge but it still has mass. So mass does not come from charge. Mass comes from energy. And the second thing we are going to see is that E is equal to mc square. Einstein showed us a powerful truth. This means mass is a form of energy. Energy can become mass and mass can become energy. So mass is condensed energy. When energy is free, it moves like light. When energy is trapped, it becomes mass. The next is gravity and its collapse. Gravity is not a force pulling things inward. Gravity is energy telling space how to bend. When mass increases, gravity increases. Space bends more, collapse begins. When gravity wins over all other forces, matter collapses completely. This leads to a black hole. Our next stage is black hole. What is black hole? Before we will talk about black hole, first we will understand the black hole and neutron analogy. Before a black hole forms, protons and electrons combine. They form neutrons. Charge disappears. This is important. A neutron star is matter without charge balance. A black hole is matter without identity. So we can say a black hole behaves like a cosmic neutron. Neutral, silent, extremely dense. The outside universe still has protons and electrons, but inside only mass energy remains. Where did the mass go? The mass does not disappear, it does not escape, it becomes pure gravity, pure curvature of space time, pure presence without form. From outside, the black hole is known only by mass, spin, and charge. Everything else is lost. And the next part we are going to see is consciousness analogy. Now observe something deeper. When the mind is active, thoughts are many, identities exist from forms appear. When the mind is active, thoughts are many, identities exist, forms appear. When the mind becomes silent, thoughts collapse, identity dissolves, only awareness remains. This is exactly this is exactly like collapse in physics. When form collapses, essence remains. When matter collapses, energy remains. When identity collapses, consciousness remains. And the next we are going to see that, can gravity be defeated? This is also one type of question, that can we defeat gravity? Gravity, the answer is gravity cannot be defeated by force. It can only be balanced. In stars, nuclear energy balances gravity. In life, awareness balances desire. But when balance ends, collapse happens, not as destruction, but as return to source. And the next part is Vedantic understanding. How do we understand all these things? Vedanta says form is temporary, name is temporary, reality is one, that is, a black hole is not destruction, it is absorption into the one. Just as river disappears into the ocean, matter disappears into gravity, and individuality disappears into consciousness. Lastly, I want to conclude my voice. I want to conclude my thoughts by giving a conclusion. That conclusion goes like this. As we know that from electron to black hole, from mass to energy, from thought to silence, the journey is the same. Collapse is not death, collapse is realization. Thank you, my friends, for listening my thoughts, and I'm very glad that you all are being with me in this journey of for sudden enlightenment. And I will be very thankful to all my friends who have been with me till the end of this video. Thank you. Om Shanti 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 Om.